Hope everything works. चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Scrolling through sad reels won't heal your life, but this video can. तो सुनो, this video is not just your be positive वाला ज्ञान, because अगर हम वो कर पाते with scented candles, अच्छे videos, good podcasts, हम कब के कर लेते. So if we have not done that, I'm sure we need to do few changes in life. So here are 10 simple things which you can do when you feel low, when you feel lost, or when you feel just blank. It's not magic, but manageable. ठीक है? तो शुरू करते हैं. First, take a damn shower. नहा लो थोड़ा. I know, it may sound very simple, but listen to me. You know, when you're feeling low, I think just getting up from your bed also feels like a project, right? But hear me out. Hitting a shower or taking a good bath is like hitting a reset button on your entire vibe. And you know what? I feel you should just scrub out all your stress, all your tension. I will do it tomorrow wala feeling. Just scrub it out. Just wash yourself. Just feel a little more revived and clean. Use a nice soap. Wear nice clothes. Comb your hair. ऐसे गरीबों की तरह मत दिखो. थोड़ा इंसान बन जाओ. So best thing is just take a nice good shower. Okay, in other way, you don't need to just look good. You need to feel good. And I feel that's little 10% ahead of how you were feeling before. So again, take a shower. Now, second, eat something real. Not real, something real. And frankly, you can't just survive on chai and nice vibes. Okay, so I love chai. वो अलग video है, I love chai. But depression loves making you skip your meal, making you feel less hungry, and actually making you eat more junk. So let's flip that script. Make something simple. Bread, little anda, you can make dal rice, even Maggie, but again, maybe not. But eat something good because I feel you are what you eat. Barabar? So fuel your body like it matters. You put right petrol to run your engine faster and better. Same way it goes to your body. Eat something good, eat something simple, eat something real, which actually makes you feel alive. And your half the mood swing is nothing but your hunger in disguise. So again, eat something real. And you are what you eat. You are what you consume. Yes? So right now, at least eat good food. And about what you consume, we'll talk about that later. Okay, so third thing. Move your body. बस थोड़ा सा भी. You don't need to immediately go to gym or become some yoga influencer. होगा वो सब. उसके लिए टाइम है. But उठो. Do small things like getting up and going to kitchen. Move your arm. Just get out of the bed. Get out of that emotional depression. Get out of that low feeling. Just get out, go outside, take a nice vibe. And I feel it's not about fitness, it's about the flow. It's about a commitment that you are ready to move your body and you're ready to accept that I am feeling depressed, but yes, I'm also ready to move to come out of it. And that's the first step. And I've seen one thing, when you move, I feel your brain knows that you're not dead, you're alive, right? And I think that motivation, wo aayega, it'll come later. And I say this, joining gym doesn't make your body. Every day going or every day showing up does. Same thing goes for any discipline which you do in life. So पहले move करो, आपके जज्बात आएंगे बाद में. Fourth, okay, so this is a good one. Say the messed up thing out loud. बोलने में हालत हो गई. Say the messed up thing out loud means whatever is troubling you, जो अंदर भरा पड़ा है, जो आपके सिस्टम में दबा पड़ा है, जो सड़ रहा है, बोलो, बाहर निकालो. Okay? You can't heal from what you can't express. और जो अंदर इमोशंस दबे पड़े हैं वो सड़ रहे हैं like a garbage, and that emotion which is stuck inside, which you're not talking out, which you're not releasing, that becomes a garbage and it becomes a toxic garbage. But open your heart, and I feel it's okay to say I'm not feeling good, I am stuck, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं रहा है, I don't know about my life. Talk to someone, write it down, make a voice note and send to somebody. Don't send to anybody. So जो आपके मन में दबा हुआ है, whatever you're feeling, just write it down, just say it out loud. So I'm not saying it has to be very nice and precise. You can just say, I'm lost. मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. मुझे बहुत सारे डर सता रहे हैं. Maybe I am in a money crisis. Just say. उसका solution we will find out. What to do next we will figure out. But जो अंदर दबा पड़ा है वो निकालो. Otherwise it may come out to someone else or it may come out on your body, which is not good. So again, your feelings don't need to be logical. They just need to be out. ठीक है. फिफ्थ, डू समथिंग अनकंफर्टेबल. डर के आगे जीत है, बट कुछ सोडा ड्रिंक या शुगरी ड्रिंक पी के नहीं. इट्स अबाउट बीइंग अवेयर. आप कौन हो, आप किस चीज के बने हो. सो स्टेइंग इन अ कंफर्ट जोन फील्स सेफ, बट इट्स नॉट. you are actually stuck. You want your life to change, you want new things to happen, but you don't want to expose yourself, you don't want to face your fears, you don't want to take a step. भाई कैसे होगा ऐसे? Call that friend, go outside, take that particular step. I'm not saying you have to be fearful or एकदम बिंदास. I feel you need to be a little brave just for 5 minutes, and that's enough to shift your reality. ठीक है? Sixth, touch the sunlight. Go outside. You're not a zombie, and depression loves darkness. अंधेरा कायम रहे, right? Open your window. Go outside in the balcony. Let the light come into your house. And ये जो आपका घर ड्रैकुला का डेन बना रखा है, उसको जरा बदलो. Sunlight boosts your mood, makes your mind more fresher, also gives you better sleep, and I feel it makes you feel that you are human, you are alive. You are not a zombie. You are just low in light. ठीक है? सूरज की बाहों में थोड़ा सा. Seventh, change your environment. If your house looks like a crime scene, तो दिमाग में क्या होगा? Clean one corner, put a nice candle, change your bed sheet, and I'm not talking about changing your interior or aesthetic vibe. It's just about shifting your energy. Sometimes the cage is not in your mind. I think it's the place you are living in. वो आपको बंद करके एक caveman की तरह रखता है. And we are not that. We are supposed to be out. We are supposed to be open. We are supposed to be happy. So थोड़ा बदलो. I feel 10 minutes a day also cleaning can change your life. 8th point. Now this is very important. Say no to that one draining thing. ऐसी कोई चीज या व्यक्ति जो आपको एनर्जी नहीं दे रही, जिससे आपका फायदा नहीं हो रहा, say no. You don't have enough energy to give. Then why to waste your energy to a place which doesn't give you back? You're not supposed to be available and ready for every single person. आप सबके लिए मौजूद नहीं हो. पहले आप खुद के लिए मौजूद रहो. First say yes to yourself. And I feel then the world and people will come. Say no to that call. Say no to overthinking. Say no to that toxic friend. I don't think you're being rude. You're trying to protect your energy and protect yourself. And if your friend can understand, nothing like it. And if that friend doesn't, you know what to do. Again, you don't need to be available for everybody जहाँ आप खुद के लिए मौजूद नहीं हो. ठीक है? So learn to say no to the wrong thing in a right way. 9. Watch something stupidly funny. Means गोलमाल टाइप पिक्चर जहां दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता. Watch it. You don't need to always watch documentaries and some law of attraction motivational video or listen to some sad playlist. You need to give your mind a break. You need to give your energy a break. Watch something which is very silly. I love watching Maharashtrachi Hasya Jatra. Why the accent? Okay, it's funny, it's simple. You don't need to use your brain, but you feel very happy and light. Watch something which is very funny, very light to your mind and emotion. आपने वो 10 बार देखा रहेगा, वापस देखो. You need to make yourself feel good, and that's the idea of me telling you to watch something funny. And laughter is like telling your nervous system that you are safe. So give yourself a reason to smile. Don't use logic. And that's the magic. 10. Last but not the least. Speak kindly to yourself. You wouldn't call your friend a hopeless and useless unless that friend is. Okay, I'm just kidding. But you will not call somebody else a hopeless loser when they're already depressed or when they're already feeling very lost in life. Then why do you do same for yourself? So खुद से इतना harsh मत बनो. So talk to yourself like you matter, because you do. So say to yourself that I'm allowed to have bad days. I'm allowed to feel low. It's okay. मुझे नहीं पता मुझे क्या करना है. I don't know how to take the next step. It's okay to say that. But please don't be so harsh to yourself. You can say, I'm not lost, but I'm trying to find myself. I am not behind, but I'm trying to heal. I'm not depressed. I'm just taking little rest so I can find the strength to stand again, to grow again, to fight again. So kindness isn't weakness. It's like coming back to yourself. तो अपने आप से इतना हार्श मत बनो. ऑलरेडी आपकी लाइफ, आपकी जिंदगी, मे बी आपका जॉब, ऐसी बहुत चीजें हैं विच इज ऑलरेडी हार्श ऑन यू. सो यू कैन बी दैट वन पर्सन हु इज बीइंग वेरी लविंग एंड वेरी काम टू योर ओन सेल्फ, राइट? तो हमने क्या समझा? योर डिप्रेशन इज रियल, पर तुम्हारा डिसिप्लिन भी रियल हो सकता है, विच कैन हेल्प यू टू गेट यू आउट. सो आज से शुरू करो. डू दिस 10 सिंपल, वेरी मैनेजेबल थिंग्स. You can change your life. Is just you need to take that one simple step, and you don't need to fix your entire life. You just need to fix that 1 hour which can convert into 1 day, one small step at a time. Slow and steady, it will make you win the race. Messy भी चलेगा, half hearted भी चलेगा, रोते हुए भी चलेगा, but शुरू करो. Tells your system, it tells your body that you want to come out of it, and that's a beautiful thought to have. Don't scroll away like you didn't feel anything. I'm sure you understood what I'm trying to say, so take that step. If this video hits your heart, comment I'm ready. Also share with your friend or somebody who you know that needs that one nudge to get up and become that superhero which he's supposed to be. So if you want such raw, simple but true healing video, subscribe. You don't need to fight alone. We will figure it out together. So for people who have already subscribed, I'll see you in the next one. And people who have not, Please be safe, please be happy, do what I've told you, and you will find your way out. My name is Mridang Desai. Thank you so much. Atma Namaste. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, positive, Gyan. This really is. So fuel. So. And I always. And one more thing. वापस करते गुरु. मुझे जिंदगी, मुझे बहुत सारे do something on actually. But ये कोई ठंडा सोला जल के मरो. बिफोर नीचे क्यों देख रहा है? 7 पूरा गलत बोल दिया. Touch, not touch somebody else, but let boost your boost. बोलते वक्त कैसा हो गया? Wow. Depression. If this video is, I see you in the next. See you in the. हो गया ना? बाप रे, it's done.